Now, most of us feel pain from time to time, or we have discomfort. We don't feel comfortable, so we need to take medicine. And medicine comes in different forms. Now, the most common form would be pills, right? They're round and usually white or different colors, but there are also capsules and tablets, and sometimes you can take medicine in liquid form. But here, Nicholas has a question about the pills. How about these pills? Will they help me with my toothache?
And again, a pill is that small round piece of medicine that you get. Well, the pharmacist says they will kill the pain or stop the pain, but won't help with the swelling. Swelling is what happens to you when an area of your body becomes larger than normal. It sort of grows in size. Sometimes it's because you've had an injury. Maybe you broke your arm or you fell down. Maybe a bug bit you and it got really big where the bug bite was. And maybe you're just sick. You have some sort of illness and your body starts swelling. When I go to the dentist sometimes my cheeks will swell. And I've got big cheeks anyway, so that's what swelling is.
That's right. I got stung by a bee in the knee once, and it just swelled up so big I couldn't even walk for like a day or so. It was really weird. But again, the pharmacist says that, well, it will kill the pain, but it won't stop swelling, so you'll have that. And Nicholas has a question about a certain kind of medicine called ibuprofen, which I don't really see very often here in Taiwan. It's just a kind of painkiller, and it can help you with headaches or other things like arthritis or other problems you might have.
I actually take this medicine here in Taiwan, but I have to get it from the pharmacist. I can't just get it at the drugstore. In the States, you can. It's pretty good if you have swelling or if you have a fever. Now, the pharmacist says that's a better choice. You should take one 400 milligram tablet 4 times a day. Actually, that's quite a bit of this particular medicine. A tablet is also sort of a square shape sometimes. Sometimes it's in a triangle or a rectangle. And a pill would be round.
Right, exactly. So that's another kind of medicine that you might take. And Nicholas has another symptom here. He starts sneezing. Sneezing is different from coughing. Coughing is but sneezing comes out of your nose usually. Like if you're allergic to something, for example. So he's sneezing and he says, thanks a lot. I really hope it works. I hope the medicine will be effective.
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of symptoms of a cold here. You can cough, you can sneeze, your nose can run, or we'll say, oh, I have a runny nose. Sometimes, if you really have a bad cold, you'll even have a fever, but we sort of start calling that the flu after a while. But it's hard to breathe. Tom mentioned that we sneeze because of our noses. We cough because of our lungs. There's something in our lungs and we want it out. So our body's trying to get rid of it. It's not comfortable. Well, Maylene's really surprised now. She says, gee, Nicholas, it sounds like the toothache isn't your only health problem. He's got a lot of issues.
He does. He's got a lot of problems. And then he says, is there any medicine that can help me get rid of this cold? Now, here we have the phrase to get rid of something. That means you don't want that thing around anymore. You don't like it.
No.
It's causing you problems, so you want it out. Like garbage in your home. You don't want to keep it there. You want to get rid of it. You want to throw it out.
Or maybe you have someone who comes over and you don't like them very much. You might want to get rid of them. Make them leave. You see what I mean? We use it in different ways. You can also just throw something away, like Tom said. He wants to get rid of that cold. Ooh, it can be uncomfortable. Okay, everybody, it's time for our Chinese teacher, someone you'll never want to get rid of. Let's listen now.